Ka Women Empowerment Committee jong ka ying dabat ho ain ka jala ka Kynthoh juri ka Sorkar khamtam e ya katnat pulit namar ka jingmamla ka jong ki banle e halo ka jingsha Thombor ka Heprit badang khachaw Snem karta ha kamir akhnai tre kulalungkan habakran bat kilat patai kubor hadin ka jelang ka chairperson jong ka committee ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo ka laong balarai ban khot hajir ya ka medical superintendent ka Ganesh Das Hospital superintendent of police ka East ka Sils ki counselor na ka child protection officer bat kiwi hakan rutrek urampang arpau.
What disturbed me very much as the chairperson of the Assembly Committee on the Empowerment of Women was the fact that this girl was cut throughout her body by blades. She was gagged, she was drugged, she was found unconscious by the police. In fact, she didn't regain her consciousness till after about 24 hours, because I personally went to see this victim on Saturday, which was about 3 days after the incident occurred. I was very disturbed because she was mentally very, very disturbed. The moment I spoke to her, the first thing that she did was she started weeping. She wept. And what disturbed me further on this case was the fact that the relatives of this young minor kept on repeating one thing, and that is they said, "Madam, see, these people are saying it was a consensual sexual act." They went on and on saying that they were given a long lecture by the doctors that this is not a rape. So these were two things that disturbed me very much. We are also calling the MS of Ganesh Das because relatives has informed me that they have been trying to meet the MS since the 30th to find out the status of the case, but they have not been able to meet her, so we have also called for the MS. We are calling for the counselor because the first thing I asked when I reached Ganesh Das and by the bedside of the victim, and when she burst out crying, the first thing I asked the doctor on duty was, has she been counselled? Because it seemed as if not enough or not really any counselling had taken place, because she was still very hysterical. 2 major gang rapes of minors. It is not the right foot to be starting a new year, and it is unfortunate that the police department is not forthcoming, and it feels very defeating when you try to call heads of the police department to get information on important crimes that have occurred, and they're very careless and they don't respond to our call. I called the SP 3-4 times but didn't get any response, and neither was there a return call.
It rang?
Yeah. No, it was out of reach. But they do get alerts. Thank you so much.